Hey everyone, if you've signed up for Twilio but now need a way for your customers to actually reach you, getting a professional phone number and routing it correctly is the foundation of your entire communication setup. Today, I'm walking you through the 2026 guide to purchasing and configuring your Twilio number from scratch. Let's jump into the console. First, log into your Twilio console. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to Develop, Phone Numbers, Manage, and click Buy a Number. You can search by area code, specific digits, or even toll-free options. Once you find a number with the capabilities you need, like voice and SMS, click the blue Buy button to add it to your account. Step 2. Access active numbers. Now that you own the number, we need to tell Twilio what to do when someone dials it. Go back to the sidebar and click on Active Numbers. Find the number you just purchased in the list and click on it. This opens the Master Configuration panel where all the under-the-hood magic happens. Step 3. Configure voice routing. Scroll down to the Voice and Fax section. Look for the drop-down labeled A Call Comes In. This is where you decide the destination. You can choose a webhook if you have a custom app, a studio flow for a visual IVR menu, or even a TWIML bin for a simple automated message. If you're just starting out, Studio Flow is the best way to build a call tree without any code. Step 4. Set up messaging. Keep scrolling down to the messaging section. Just like with voice, you'll see an option for A Message Comes In. You can set this to auto-reply to customers or forward texts to your own personal phone. Simply paste your webhook URL or select your messaging service, then scroll to the very bottom and hit Save Configuration to make it live. Step 5. Compliance check. One final pro tip for 2026, make sure to check the Regulatory Information tab for your number. Many regions now require identity documentation, like A2P 10DLC for the US, to ensure your messages aren't flagged as spam. Getting this verified early will save you a huge headache later on. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.